यूज नहीं कर रखा है हमने, तो आज मैं आपको ये बनाना सिखाऊंगी, ठीक है। एंड ओरिगेमी में काफी चीजें बनती हैं, जैसे आप अपनी यूज के लिए भी ओरिगेमी बना सकते हैं, जैसे ये बुक मार्क्स वगैरह। आप ये बुक मार्क्स बना सकते हो, आप यूज कर सकते हो। आप डेकोरेशन में भी ओरिगेमी को यूज कर सकते हो। ओरिगेमी के बहुत फायदे होते हैं। तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। हम सबसे पहले स्पिनर बनाएंगे। इसमें आपको 3 ओरिगेमी शीट्स चाहिए होंगी। होपफुली सबके पास शीट्स हैं, एंड कोई भी 3 शीट्स आप अलग कर लीजिए। So this is some origami items I have collected. If everyone can see, this is a box you can make of origami. This is a box, paper made box, and this is a 3D art, which is it's a 3D ball kind of thing with the origami. And this is a photo frame, a small photo frame. You can put your photo inside and can be used as a photo frame. And this is the bigger one. ये बड़ा फ्रेम है और एक ये छोटा फ्रेम है। इसमें अपनी फोटो लगा के उसको कहीं पे भी हैंग कर सकते हैं। सो नाउ वील स्टार्ट विद मेकिंग। हम सबसे पहले स्पिनर बनाएंगे जो ये घूमता है। मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। देखिए ये स्पिनर ऐसे घूमता भी है। आज हम ये बनाना सीखेंगे। सो वील स्टार्ट विद इट। वील टेक 3 different papers. Okay. पहले हम सबसे नीचे वाला पोर्शन बनाएंगे। So this is an origami sheet. This is a square sheet of 15 centimeter. It's one side white and one side colored. So first we fold half. 15 centimeter. You need to match the edges. ये दोनों पॉइंट इस पॉइंट से मिलने चाहिए एकदम, नहीं तो आपका आइटम थोड़ा खराब हो सकता है। आप ध्यान से करेंगे पॉइंट टू पॉइंट तो जल्दी मैच हो जाएगा। ऐसे फिर इसको खोलेंगे। आपको एक बीच में लाइन दिखेगी, एक लाइन दिखेगी। देन इस लाइन को आप इस लाइन से मैच करेंगे पेपर की एज को। आप ऐसे करेंगे इसको, और इधर से भी इसको आप ऐसे करेंगे दूसरी साइड से भी। वो आपका शीट कुछ ऐसे दिखेगा कि आप दोनों तरफ से खोल सकते हैं और बंद कर सकते हैं ऐसे। एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द डोर फोल्ड ऑफ ओरिगेमी। ये ऐसे ही फोल्ड है जैसे दरवाजा खुलता है, तो दिस इज अ डोर फोल्ड। Then we will do a half of the sheet. अब आपके पास 2 फोल्ड है और बीच में एक लाइन आ जाएगी यहाँ पे। So you can have a square sheet, just a small square you can see. Now again you open it.
Yeah, did you make a square
Now
with this? It's the photo very good with the flowers inside.
Now put these 2 lines on the middle line of the door fold, like this.
Like this? So,
ये ऐसे है। आप इस ऐसे इस कोने को इस बीच में ले आओगे।
okay, I wanted this one again. I made a square then. इसको खोलो फिर इसको ऐसे
And then again from both the sides.
and then from the other side
And अब इधर भी एक छोटा सा डोर फोल्ड आ गया है, like this. Now what you do is you open one side, put your fingers here, take this flap and fold it into half triangle like this. You make a crease here, this triangle. You'll get a triangle two sides. Yeah. Now we have to make a triangle here. This is the half portion and this is the other half portion. Let's close this portion and we'll open this only the first portion only. We'll take this flap, turn it like this and a triangle will be formed. Both the sides. Two triangles here and two triangles here. Then after folding this triangle and this triangle, you'll get a crease and then you will get a shape like a house, like this. Has everyone got this house shape?
Yes, ma'am. How to fold into a house?
ट्राइंगल फोल्ड करा, फिर आप इसको ऊपर से ऐसे प्रेस कर दो तो ये हाउस शेप बन जाएगा. Then do the same thing on this side also. Press your fingers here, put this flap up, fold it into triangle. Then same thing over here. So you'll get 4 more triangles.
Again?
1, 2, 3 and 4. This is like this. Your sheet is like this. Okay. Then you open this. Put your fingers here. Put this flap up and turn it into a triangle. Like this. It will come like this. On this line. Similarly on the other side. And it will Now, has everyone got the shape? You got this shape, one here and one here.
Yes, ma'am. I've got this shape.
Yeah. Now,
All other shapes.
get this triangle here, put your finger inside and a square will come. Like this. A square will form here. This is the triangle. Put the finger inside. Push the corner and a square will be formed. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares.
And this is after the house.
Yes. 2,
Can you please show once again?
3, and 4.
The
You'll
step
form
of
4
the
shapes.
house.
Now, after this, one by one, you have open flaps. See, you have open flaps. Now, take this single flap, turn into the middle line. Turn them into the middle line, like this. Yeah. Now, after the square, once you get the 4 squares, you put the open side. The open side should be turned here, like this. So you get a small triangle here, this triangle. You form a small triangle here when you fold these 2 points. Now you have to repeat
Hello.
these steps in all the small squares. Then you get this 4 squares now. Then you simply this flat line. Squares. You have squares. You put the flap on the middle line like this. Small triangles will form, and a small triangle will form here, and you get a kite shape. You'll get such like kite shapes. This is a kite shape. All 4
Ma'am,
kites you get.
can you
Now just fold the triangle outside to get a crease there. All the 4 triangles. Now you have a line here now. On the back side, you can see 4 small lines forming 4 triangles, 4 different triangles. Then you open this and just put your finger here, bend the paper and have some small kite like this. Like this. Now you have full kite. Now you'll get 3 more kites and you'll get 4 kites in one sheet. Sides. Open. Now first triangle, fold this triangle, open this sheet, push it. Now push the corners inside. Like this. Like this again. First triangle in. This triangle, corner triangle should be in. Open it, push it. Now put the corners inside. Like this. So you have 4 kites on one sheet. Now this is somehow you should form. Then Has everyone like done till here? Then again you do the same thing on every portion. Like first the triangle in, then push out the paper, push it, pull the corners till from one here, and then one
Ma'am,
over
can you show this step from the back?
back. It's not from the back. The step is only from front only. Like this. Then again do it. The small triangle goes back. Put it on the table. Press it hardly. Now open this sheet, small sheet. You have two corners on both the sides. One like this, point to point, and other like similarly like this. This like you have got 4 sides. Once you get the 4 sides, now you have to open portions over all the 4 sides like this. Take one portion and fold it towards the back. All the 4 sides. All the 4 sides, push it towards the back. Once these kites are formed, then you do is you open this kite till half. You get a triangle when you fold it. The white side should come up now. The white side will come up like this. All the 4 sides. So now this is the first piece ready of your spinner. Now you take another paper. Now you take another sheet. The second step, you take another sheet, one side color, one side white. What you do is fold it into a triangle. If someone has missed the first step, if someone has missed the first part of the spinner, this portion, can watch it in the video sir will provide, because this is a little trickier, this is a little difficult, but then the next 2 sheets will be very easy. They are just the normal geometrical folds. So your first fold it into a triangle. Then again fold a triangle from another side. Like this. Okay. Then now you have 4 triangles. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here. You have 4 different triangles. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4.
After 2 triangles.
Yeah. One like this, fold, then open, then again a fold. Now 4 triangles. Then take the corner point, touch the middle point of 4 triangles and crease it. Like this. This. You'll get 4 triangles, then 4 triangles should be folded like this, and you get a square, a big one square. Then now you flip the paper. One side you have triangle flaps and other side you have a closed square. यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा पेपर नहीं उठ रहा है, इस साइड यहाँ पे पेपर उठ रहा है. अब आप इस पेपर को फ्लिप करोगे और इसको अच्छे से इसको चारों तरफ से इसको अच्छे से क्रीज करोगे कि ये पेपर खुले ना. ठीक है. उसके बाद अब ये कॉर्नर, अब आपके पास 4 स्क्वायर्स आ जाएंगे. नाउ यू हैव nicely. Now now this is your midpoint, your middle point. Now take these 4 corners one by one again here. Repeat the same step you did it on the previous, like this. Now you have one triangle with open white sides, like this. All the 4 sides, like this. Now again you have 4 triangles like this, and again you have squares having this flap. Now your triangle should be down and your squares should be up. Okay, so now you have open here, you have flap opening. Okay, so now again your middle dot is somewhere here. You push this corner points to the middle point, like this. Like you will form a square with some small triangles over here. All the 4 squares comes here. Now it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Now you get.
Ma'am, can you repeat the step from the 4 squares?
4 squares, yeah. Just a minute. Yeah, these are your 4 squares. Then this is your middle point. You take this corner, put it in the middle, like this. All the 4 corners. And then again upside down. Now you have squares, small squares here, and some triangles, 4 triangles over here. Then again you fold it like this. The square portion you fold it in a very small triangle, small triangles to the corners back. पहले हमने कॉर्नर से मिडिल में फोल्ड करा था, अब हम इस फोल्ड को मिडिल में से कॉर्नर में फोल्ड करेंगे, ऐसे ऐसे. तो आपका मिडिल पॉइंट जो दिख रहा था पहले अब वो दिखने लगेगा और आपके ये छोटे छोटे ट्रायंगल्स उठे उठे होंगे. तो इनको आप पीछे प्रेस कर दो अच्छे से टाइट, ये उठे ना बाहर. ठीक है, ये आपका सेकंड पीस भी कंप्लीट हो गया है. अब आप एक दूसरी थर्ड शीट लोगे जिसमें हम फिजिक्स फिनल का. अब हमने ये सबसे नीचे वाला पोर्शन जो है आपका, जो मेरा येलो था ये पर्पल है इसमें. अब जो मेरा ये ग्रीन था, मेरा ये वाला बन गया. जो ग्रीन था हमने ये वाला भी बना लिया. अब जो ये ट्रायंगल वाला जो खड़ा हुआ पोर्शन है हम उसको बनाएंगे. Now we'll make this one with the third one. Again इसमें एक white है और एक colored. This is the third sheet. Start with the corner. Fold a triangle. Fold a triangle. Open it. Now one line, 2 triangles. Then again fold it. Now open it. 4 triangles, 2 big lines, 2 diagonal lines, and 4 triangles. Okay. Then fold it like
Ma'am,
this
can
again.
you
This is your middle point. Then you have a middle point. Take this corner, put it on the middle point and crease it. All the 4 sides. All the 4 sides. Now you get 4 triangles here and 1 big square and 4 small squares over here. Okay. Now in this step, the triangles hai, 4 triangles hai. Now again you put a dot on the middle. Now put this corner again on the middle point. Again on the dot. Like this. All the 4 sides. Now you have 4 triangles and 1 square. Again this is repeated 3 times. Now again this is the middle. This is the middle point and you have 4 corners. Take the corner, put it again in the middle. You repeat the same step for 3 times. Like this. Your sheet becomes little thicker and difficult to fold because you're folding it 3 times. So it will be a little difficult, but you need to press it very, very hardly so the paper won't come out. Now once you've done the step 3 times, okay, press it very tightly because this paper gets thicker when you fold 3 steps continuously in a similar way. Now fold this full into 1 triangle. Press it very, very tightly. 1 triangle here. So you get a line and a division of 1 triangle. Then after doing this, press it very tightly once again from the other side. Corner to corner. Again. Now when you do this step, press it very tightly first of all. Now when you open it, you have 1 diagonal line like this, 1 diagonal line like this. Now close it any one side, make a triangle like this, okay, and press it very nicely from both the sides. And hold the corners like this, and your paper will come up when you push it like this. You make 4 triangles at one time. When you've done like this, okay, and this. Your triangles will come 4 triangles at one time. Like this. And you got 4 triangles. 1 here, 1 here, 2 closed triangles and 2 open triangles. So when you see your sheet from down, it should be like this. In a fish mouth. 1 here and the 1 fish mouth is here. 1 edge is here and 1 edge is here. Now get all your 3 pieces together. Yeah, after the 3 fold, this is the paper you get. Okay. Fold it into a triangle. The edge should be pressed very, very tightly. Then automatically
Can you
your
take the other
item.
paper you've done?
Now all your 3 items here, the first sheet, the second sheet, and the third sheet. Okay. Now how you fix it is, take your first sheet. Okay. ये जो corners हैं, जितने भी kite fold के corners हैं, press it towards inside, like this. Push it towards inside. Okay. Push it nicely and crease it very tight. Okay. Then take your second paper. You have these triangles. Put it inside of this. Now you have this. Okay. Now you have a triangle line over here between 2 kites. You open a little. You push your sheet inside this. And the kite should be down. This is called paper locking. Like this. From all the 4 sides. All this paper should be locked like this. Like this. The kites will go inside and this middle point is visible. This kite folds will go inside. Now you have like this. The second sheet has some locks like this. We have got 4 locks over here. Now take this third sheet. Each corner will go in each lock. One like this, one like this, and one comes inside this. This triangle, the second sheet will take it like this, and the fourth corner will go like this. You get 4 corners in each sheet, and now it's your red. And this is your spinner. You got the first sheet, the second sheet, the third. No glue and no scissors is used at all. And now it's not even like not come out at any. The spinner is.
Wow.
Just make sure your locking should be very nice and creasing should be very perfect.